Salad Master is titanium. It doesn't react with the acids and enzymes in food. That's why it protects the integrity of your food. So, it's already heated up. You can just start it. So, right now, we're saving time. Of course, because this one is frozen. We are saving also our salt, our seasoning. And healthy. So, that's why using Salad Master cookware protects our health also. So, frozen chicken. Then you can just dump everything there. So that's the good thing if you have this one in your kitchen. Egusi soup, fried chicken, frozen, no salt, no oil. In just 30 minutes, you have the
This is like science, pure science.
Yes, the pure science of the Salad Master cookware. It's not gonna close all the way, otherwise it will steam. It's just gonna crack the way. And that's the time you can put the temperature, a time which is only 30 minutes. Every time you put in the heat, the metal will not expand. Unlike the ordinary cookware, that every time you fry, you need to put oil, otherwise it will burn. But in Salad Master, that's why it retains the natural flavor on your food and the vitamins and minerals, which is 90%. Kuya, kutsara kuya.
That's really good.
Tastes really good, right?
Very good.
Because that's the natural flavor of the curry.
Tastes really very delicious. You can sense the natural flavor. It tastes very, very delicious.